You know that feeling? It's 11 p.m. You're exhausted, but your brain is still buzzing from the day. You scroll on your phone trying to relax, but you just feel more wired and anxious about tomorrow. You finally crash, only to wake up feeling just as tired, unfocused, and already behind. What if I told you that the secret to crushing your day doesn't start at 6 a.m.? It starts at 10 p.m. the night before. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about the most underrated productivity tool you're probably ignoring, your evening routine. This isn't about becoming a morning person. It's about becoming a prepared person. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 simple science-backed steps to transform your nights from anxious scroll sessions into a powerful launchpad for your most focused and successful days. So, let's break it down. Why does this work? It's not just magic, it's neuroscience. While you sleep, your brain isn't just offline. It's running its cleanup crew, solidifying memories, processing information, and clearing out mental clutter. A bad evening routine, full of blue light and stress, is like trashing your office right before the janitor arrives. A good one? It's like tidying up your desk so the crew can do its best work, leaving you with a fresh, clear mind in the morning. So, how do we become that amazing boss for our brain? Let's get into the 3 simple pillars. First up, the digital sunset. Just like the sun goes down, your screens need to too. I know, it's hard. But that blue light from your phone and laptop tricks your brain into thinking it's midday, suppressing melatonin, the sleep hormone. An hour before bed, I want you to put your phone on Do Not Disturb and physically put it away. In a drawer, in another room. Charge it anywhere but next to your bed. This single act tells your brain one crucial thing. The workday is over. It's time to rest. Pillar 2 is my personal favorite. The 5-minute brain dump and win. Grab a notebook. First, take 2 minutes and just dump out all the worries, to-dos, and random thoughts cluttering your mind. Get it all out on paper. This stops that exhausting mental loop. Then take 3 minutes to write down your top 3 for tomorrow. What are the 3 most important things you need to accomplish? Not a massive scary list, just 3. And here's the emotional part. Also write down one small win from today. Maybe you finally understood a tough concept, or you just made your bed. This practice shifts your focus from what you didn't do to what you did, ending your day on a note of accomplishment, not anxiety. Finally, pillar 3, your personal wind-down ritual. This is about actively relaxing, not just passively scrolling. Your mission is to find a 20 to 30-minute activity that genuinely makes you feel calm and happy. It could be reading a fiction book, not a textbook, listening to a chill podcast, stretching, sipping herbal tea, or even just chatting with a roommate. This isn't a luxury. It's a signal to your nervous system that it's safe to shift from fight or flight into rest and digest. Look, you don't need to do all of this perfectly tonight. The goal isn't perfection, it's progression. Start with just one thing. Maybe tonight you just charge your phone outside your bedroom. Or you write down your top 3. These small, consistent acts are like compound interest for your focus and well-being. Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing exactly what to do, feeling genuinely rested, and starting your day with clarity instead of chaos. That power is in your hands tonight. So your call to action is this. Which one of these 3 pillars are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I love reading your stories. If this gave you a new way to look at your nights, hit that subscribe button and the bell for more simple psychology-backed tips to make studying and life feel a little more achievable. Remember, a successful tomorrow doesn't start with a loud alarm. It starts with a quiet evening. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.